Did you say Hunt Showdown is best experience with headphones? Oh god, I am no penis. Banish target. Yo, this shit is gonna be lit. Spaghetti. Use dark
Whoa,
sight
what
to
the
investigate
fuck?
up to 3 clues that will lead you to the butcher. Once you discover the lair, prepare to take down the butcher. The butcher is a
Oh.
large and immune to fire. Use axes to kill it faster. Okay, use axes. I see like some fucking blue butterflies over here.
Shit. It's past the zombie man's.
Are the blue butterflies supposed to be leading me in the direction? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, okay. While moving, press sprint, use the crouch, use the jump. Okay, standard controls. Firebomb, vanity, vitality shot, pistol, and this thing. Alright, we'll pull out the gat.
Yes.
Press down to form a regular attack.
Oh, let's go R1. It's up here.
Stab! Ooh, I stabbed somebody, Tony.
Here, doggo.
I stabbed a Zan.
I don't like that.
Why is my stamina so low? Is it coming? Oh, it's okay. You actually
Hello.
Hello, Tony.
No, I'm entering a building. It's what I do.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, there's a zombie bitch. Zombie demon woman. Keep coming on, bitch.
Oh, the sound effects can fuck off. Oh. Oh, fuck. I walked through chains and it scared the shit out of me.
I'm near the first clue. Fucking stab hose to investigate. Suck my donkey.
Investigate clue.
What does that mean, Shy? What does that mean? Oh, monkey penis. Haha, cat.
Oh, okay. He is in the wall now, Shy. You also got to be careful. I think some of the dead bodies on the ground might be zombies, like, waiting for you.
Well, that's just monkey cock. Monkey penis.
I agree.
Ah!
Ah, fuck it. I knew it. You fucking bitch. Go away. Get in. I say get in and I'm climbing a ladder. Oh, hello, sir.
Oh, I found an abandoned building here. Oh, crows! Why are they so loud, Tony?
That's what I said. They'll draw things in. Be careful of them.
Oh, I didn't know what you said about them. I just remembered hearing you talk about them. Oh God, meleeing takes a lot of stamina. I found a bear trap. Tony, I'm carrying a bear trap.
I found one as well.
That so far does not look like collaterals are possible.
A headshot will kill him quicker, though.
Obviously, Tony. That's how every game.
Unless
Pick up item.
they're vampires.
Tony, please tell me you picked up the axe.
In the church?
It was right next to the clue in the church.
No, but...
You should go pick it up, because the axe kills the butcher faster.
What the fuck am I... Oh, that's... Oh, this was a bad idea. Oh, this was a bad idea. Totally didn't ring a church bell and, oh shit. And lure a bunch of zombies into my location. But I got away. Sounded safe. What is the area with the red on it? Is that like locked area or like...
No clue, my guy. Okay, now where do I go? Oh, I don't want to do that.
My dude in here sounds beefy as fuck, Shy. He sound thick, yo! Oh, he sound extra thick. Holy shit. I honestly almost don't want to open the door. Wait, what was that? Is there another gun?
Butcher's atmosphere.
I hear that fat piece of shit clinking around. So I'm gonna assume...
Found him! Oh, he's making a lot of... Yep, there he is!
I hear him.
I see him, I'm engaging in combat.
I'm about to shoot him in the face with bullet hole makers.
Oh yeah, don't use fire against him. He's increased resistance to fire. I found a sledgehammer.
Ow.
I don't see him.
I'm looking through the window, but oh, there he is.
There he is. Oh god, this game is scary, Tony. I just obliterated him. Oh no, I didn't. I thought I did. Got zombies. Don't fucking die when you like get their head. I killed him. God, Tony, this game is gonna get me to scream a lot. I want you to know that. Okay, he's been banished. Pick up the bounty.
How many shots did it take you to kill him?
Just a few. 2 full repeater shots and then 1 sledgehammer.
Oh, well, I
Two
just...
Oh, well, now I've got... Wait, what's the... Wait, I have extra dark sight?
I'm inside with this thick bitch.
Check the map for the nearest extraction.
I like to defy the odds. Come at me, fucker! Oh, hello.
Oh, okay, I see where extraction. Go. Down. Yeah, it should go straight down.
Okay, it's time to run now! My butt is thoroughly clenched, Shy.
Not good for my heart.
Shot to the heart.
Oh yeah, I see the red areas that you were talking about now.
You give love a baby copyright.
I want to get a saxophone. I'm gonna get one, damn it.
Oh god,
No one
hello
told me
sir.
otherwise. Tony, you weren't kidding when you said zombies can come back alive from dying on the ground.
Place. Come get me, fucker. He goes right through the bear trap. Oh my god. Where is you fucking giant ass? Die. Die, you fucker. Oh god, ow. That was pain. And ouchies. Oh god, is there dogs coming after me? Probably a good idea not to let those out, I'm sure of it.
We're gonna need better guns and quick.
Yeah, I'm aware of this. Oh shit, I'm also aware that I am about out of ammo.
Do you not see ammo boxes and shit?
I do, but I just got the one that was closest to me.
Yeah. Oh, you can sprint and reload. This is good game. This is a good game. An extraction point is
hoping
near.
that this one.
Oh my god, Tony, whenever you get to an extraction point, you have to survive time.
Yeah. I was aware.
Yeah.
I was aware of that. I just forgot.
Oh my god, the pistol sucks. Donkey balls. Do not use the pistol. You have an option. Oh, I made it! I survived! Tony, I did it! I completed the thing. Did you complete your
Fuck
thing?
you, dude.
I mean... No.
Oh god! There's a zombie right in my face! Holy shit! Oh my god, that scared the fuck out of me!
I don't think I screamed this whole mission. I'm proud of myself. Tony, you could have just told me that this game is literally Red Dead but with zombies.
Oh yeah, it's Red Dead with zombies.
I'm gonna eat your fucking mother.
Oh boy. That was not good for my heart. Yeah, just having the zombie right there in my face. That was pretty cool.
Not good for my heart either. Tony, we fought the butcher with only 25% of his health.
Oh, that's good. That's good to know. That makes me comfort. I love games that allow you to press the sprint button and then not have to hold it to be able to sprint.
Okay. Yeah, that is a good thing too, yeah. I was trying to read and then respond to you at the same time, that's why I didn't. Okay, I am in US West.
Where is the fucking... Oh, it's up here.
Oh my gosh, what is this? Okay. Tony, there is a lot of stuff you gotta do here. Oh my god, okay. Oh
Where the fuck is the extraction point? Is this the boat that I'm supposed to get in? Where the fuck am I supposed to go? Telling me I'm here at the extraction point, but it's not letting me... I'm literally standing right over it. I think I'm bugged out. One thing that's terrifying about this game is that it does not pause.
Yeah.
Yeah! Hiltrude. Your name is Hiltrude Homerson. I'm just Ann Morin.
Okay.
You got you a name there, buddy. Did I tell you about this game's thing with death?
Oh, what about it with death? I think you did, but what about it?
If your character dies, you lose that character forever.
What about all your guns and shit?
Yep. If you have a certain gun on that character, you lose it as well. There's permadeath in this game.
I don't think I like this game anymore. Fucking stab hoes to investigate.